Apex Court declared that Maratha quota unconstitutional, violates right to equality. Maharashtra government earlier provided Maratha community a reservation which was supported by M.G. Gaikwad Commission, which was upheld by Maharashtra Bombay High Court, which validates the State Reservation for Socially and Educationally Backward Classes Act 2018. Supreme Court told that Marathas are mainstream of the national life and they have dominated politically, so there is no need to give a reservation for a Maratha community. There was no exceptional circumstances created in Maharashtra to break 50% ceiling limit. It's also declined to revisit 1992 Indira Sahni judgment, which was ceiling limit for reservation 50%. Here, according to Vijay Raghavan, who is principal scientific advisor to the central government, he says that third wave is inevitable. So we should take care of ourselves, and he insisted and suggested central government and state government to take innovative actions to contain third wave and also upgrade vaccines for COVID-19 situation. It's also should take care of children who is going to be susceptible for third wave in coming days. Workers' income fell by 17%. State of Working India 2021, 1 year of COVID-19, the report by Ajim Premji University for Center for Sustainable Employment Bengaluru, which says that men and women are suffering from job loss, but men have 7% of them losing the permanent jobs, but women's were losing were lost 47% of job loss permanently. Here is clearly indication of women are more suffering from job loss. So it's subsequently resulted in women's health lost. Food nutrition intake will get shortage, and also it also says that rural and urban poverty rate, rural is 15%, urban is around 20%. Rate of poverty is increased in this corona pandemic. Here is its social effects are more, and which also giving push to the economical crisis. Cognitive development also get affected. Of ASHA workers should take care of primary health care in rural India in the current situation, and also government should provide MG Narega activities to reinvigorate the economic conditions of rural India. China expresses concern because India has declined to give 5G trial to Chinese companies. This is concern for China. India says China not only thinking at other fields but should also thinking at border area, line of actual control, which is seeing at violence from China. China should not ignore border crisis. It should good relations on other domains. So India is clearly said that China should take care of and should concern about border crisis, not for other domains. Election Commission clearly says that it is committed and have faith in free media. Earlier, Madras High Court observed that Election Commission and its officials are responsible for COVID-19 spreading in Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. Is orally remark from Madras High Court, which was in this Election Commission went against went against the restrictions on media to Supreme Court. It says that Election Commission in past and present and in future going to have faith in media. So there should not be any restrictions on media in coming days. Central alone can identify socially economically backward classes. Supreme Court told that. Now 338 section 338A and 342B says that 42A 342A and 338B in this state that center have power to identify and inclusion and exclusion of certain caste and communities in socially economically backward classes list. In this case, states have only suggestion powers, as only have power to give suggestions on socially economically backward classes list. Here is president having authority to identify. President means central government having identity can have power to identify the communities which are educationally and socially backward. In this case, states can give suggestions to statutory commissions or president in this regard. And that list, socially economically backward classes central list, can only be amended by parliament, not by state government. It's also clarity by Supreme Court. Here is RBI given relief to MSMEs and small businesses by giving more time to pay debt due to second wave of COVID-19. In the resolution framework 2 as released by RBI, MSMEs and small businesses and individuals will get more time and relaxations for paying their debts.